I will establish an education reform task force in the presidency, which will be launched in the coming weeks. It will collect views from all players in line with the constitutional demand of public participation.
Eno ni miario ya mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto muthi wa kwihitithio gwake akiranira kumba kamiti ya guthurima weru mutaratara wa CBC. Miario irithiite na mbere kuguciriria woni ngurani kuuma kuri atongoria orodo mwe na anyiti itemi secta-ini ya githomo. Akiaria hindi igongona ria kuhumba thumbi arutwo university-ini ya Embu, mumbunge wa Manyatta Gitonga Mukunji augite itanya ria mutaratara wa CBC riari riega indi maundu matiakinyanirio uria kwagiriire kuona anyiti itemi secta-ini ya githomo matiaheirwo ihinda kuheana mendekithia mao.
I believe the future of education should be more practical. And I disagree with many people who are saying we scrub the CBC.
Ta umwe wa aria maranyita mbaru riendekithia ria guthurima weru mutaratara uyu, Mukunji augite umwe wa maundu maria marabatara guthurimwo ni ngarama iria irakuithio aciari, akiuga kuri na utiganu munene muno wa ciana kuuma micii iria ihotete na aria matari na uhoti wa kibesha.
I think the best thing we can do is put in resources so that the implementation of CBC can be more practical. We cannot start going back to 844.
Ihinda-ini riu thukuru cia gikiro kia ngathi cia iguru ni ciuritie gukuruhanio thiini wa kamiti iria tanyitwo guthurima mutaratara uyu kuona itemi riao hari gukinyaniria githomo ni ria bata.
When you are conceiving an education system, the philosophy under which you conceive it is very important. So that can only be provided by universities. And I'm sorry to say that we might have been left behind. When the CBC train took off, we are the university sector. So where were we?
Mwenaini wake Vice Chancellor University-ini no Daniel Mugendi augite mogaruruku maria megukinyanirio niguo kugacirithia mutaratara uyu mafatie kurehe kihonia na oho gutigirira arutwo ni maramukira utaramu ungi maguna matuku meguka. Uge uri unyititwo mbaru ni murugamiriri wa githomo thiini wa gicigo kia irathiro ria bururi William Sugut.
We are already there. And we are doing our best to ensure that matters CBC, we are very well prepared. And we are looking forward to that task force, and we will contribute fully, and we will be part of it to ensure that at the end of the day, we have a very good curriculum for this country.
Ukiona zile talanta ambazo zinatoka kwa wanafunzi, ni jambo la kuridhisha sana kwa sababu hakuna mwanafunzi tutayesema ana maana katika maisha. Ama hatuwezi tukasema kwamba ni ile kusoma tu kemia, biolojia. Pia kuna ile talanta kama tumeona katika shule hii.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, Gitagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.